Dutch here with August's EarFleek. If you guys don't know what EarFleek is, it is a monthly subscription service for earrings. It is $3.49 a month, and there's 3 options to choose from. There's Boho Babe, Silly and Fun, or Minimalist but Groovy. If you can't decide which one you want, there's always the I don't give a hoot option, where they will just send you one as a surprise. So I obviously get all 3 because I kept seeing ones that I liked that were in other categories. I started off with just the Minimalist but Groovy, but there's so many that I liked, so I figured $3.49 a month, why not get all 3? And they're awesome. I wear them all the time. And let's get started. So they used to label the envelopes, they don't anymore. EarFleek, please start labeling the envelopes again so I know which envelope is which set of earrings. So basically right now it's a guess on which comes in which envelope. So you always get your card, which is, you know, they picked it out just for me. So there's that. Let's see. Exclusive to EarFleek. Sometimes they give other little things in it. It's a makeup artist course. All right. The exclusive price of $34. Okay. Do I need some makeup? I know I need hair tutorials. It's really hot outside. I'm in Arizona, and it's really, really humid. So hair is up. All right. So they bubble wrap it, which is awesome. They also have these awesome little plastic envelopes that they come in that keep them safe, and they also put a little tube on the stems of the earrings so that they don't get bent. So they do a really good job packaging it. Alright, so here is, these are interesting, there's studs, a little green stone and little white stones in there. It's like an eyeball. I like it. It's like an eyeball. Those are pretty. They're gold in color. Not a big fan of gold. If you've seen my other videos, I don't really wear a lot of gold. But this is simple enough that I would have no problem wearing this. I just don't like a lot of gold. Alright, so that could be minimalist but groovy. I don't know. On to envelope number 2. There is my card, and Juliet wants to help me out here. Another little certificate for the makeup course, bubble wrapped. These look like dangly ones. Alright, so they're like, I'm saying these are either Silly But Fun or Boho Babe. These are silver in color, like a lot. Those are really pretty. They change as the sun hits them. Little diamond looking stone there, little diamond looking stone at the bottom. I know they're not real diamonds, but that's how to describe them. Those are cute. Alright, so I'm guessing that one is either Boho Babe or Silly and Fun. So let's see what the third envelope brings us. Our card. Oh, oh, no certificate for makeup tutorial learning class in this one. Alright, so Juliet wants in on the packaging. Tail. Juliet, honey. All right, got it open. All right, this is interesting. They're different. I've never gotten anything like this before. Each earring is different. I don't know if it's supposed to be like this. So okay, so one is a little silver triangle with the little diamond looking thing on the top, and then the other one is just a black stick. So I I don't know. You guys are going to have to help me out with this. If you guys got this, let me know if this is the way it's supposed to be, where you have two totally separate different earrings, if that's the style, which I really like this triangle one, and I wish there were two of them because that would be nice. Yeah, that's interesting. I don't know how many people walk around with two different earrings. So please, in the comments, let me know if you got this one, if you got two of these, or just like this, where it was different. Because that's really interesting to me. I've never gotten a set like this before. Huh. Alright, please. I'm waiting to hear from you guys. So, here are the three. It's even hard to show because they're different. So you've got the green, the gold green. You've got this one. And you've got the two separate. And you've got Juliet walking in front of the camera. Hi, baby. Alright, so please leave me a comment about these if you got them. EarFleek, you guys have commented on my videos before too. So you let me know if this is correct. And I will wait to hear from you guys. If you guys have any questions about the earrings, about the subscription service, please leave me a comment, leave me a message. Don't forget to check out Dutch Reviews on Facebook and follow and like and thumbs up to little Miss Juliet over here. And I will see you next time. Bye.